Leaving the sugarcane fields in search of a better life for his family has turned out well for Baba Devanand. In our Successful Fijian segment, Eleanor Tarangai View looks at Anand's journey, who is one of Lambasa's successful businessmen.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
25 years ago, Dev Anand made a daring move, one he has never regretted. He left behind his father to manage their sugarcane farm and opened up a barber shop, equipped only with the little knowledge he had from cutting the hair of his friends and neighbors.
And I thought that only doing farming, a small farm doesn't give more money. So I decided to collect some money so that I can earn my own living with my family. I started my business in 14/3/1995.
The Mbula Barber Salon is one of the oldest running hair salons in Lambasa, located at Basha Arcade, one of the oldest buildings in the town as well.
From 1995 to 2020, I have been in a business which has given me a lot of income. In terms, I help my family a lot.
What gets Anand motivated to get to work is providing a better life for his family and his faithful customers.
I sweated hard. I never had time to rest home because I had to come in morning or afternoon. Every day I had to climb the steps up and down to get more customers so that I can earn my good living.
Back when he just started his business, haircuts used to cost either 80 cents or $1. Today, his barbershop specializes in men, women and children's haircut, with prices ranging from $4 to $10.
Every day there is a new style coming. So in terms, we have to learn more, and challenging job is this thing.
Anand has 2 employees who are paid decent wages at the end of the week. They receive almost 50 customers on a busy day and less than 30 on not so busy days.
Sometimes it's slack. We earn a little bit at about $300 per week. Sometimes we go $400, $500 per week.
Now dubbed one of Lambasa's successful businessmen, Anand has this advice for young people.
It's very creative business. This business can make you a future. I have been in the business past 25 years. I have made all my things. I have got my house, I have got my land, I have got my vehicle. You have to respect the time. You respect the time, money is there. And you have to save same time.
Next week, Anand will hold a celebration to mark his 25 years of running his successful barbershop. And he doesn't plan to quit anytime soon. Eleanor Tarangai View, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.